What's up, Peak Timers? Welcome to our weekly edition of Hot Wheels News. If you are not subscribed, make sure you subscribe to the channel so you don't miss our weekly episodes. If you want to catch Peak Time Racing videos earlier than on YouTube, make sure you go follow the Peak Time Racing Facebook page as videos are posted there one day earlier. Check out the first link in the description box below. Let's get right into this week's Hot Wheels news as all the E-Case cars have been revealed. 1988 Honda CRX from the Honda series. Nissan Silvia S13 from the Hot Wheels Speed Graphics series. 2016 Bugatti Chiron from the Factory Fresh series. Batman Akram Aslam Batmobile from the Batman series. Range Rover Velar from the Hot Wheels Turbo series. 1949 Ford F1 from Rod Squad. 1965 Ford Mustang convertible from Hot Wheels Screen Time. 1965 Mustang 2+2 Fastback from the Hot Wheels Speed Graphics. Tesla Model 3 from the Factory Fresh series. Aston Martin Vulcan also from the Factory Fresh series. Audi RS5 Coupe from Hot Wheels Turbo. 92 Ford Mustang from Hot Wheels Art Cars. 2018 Ford Mustang GT from Hot Wheels Speed Graphics. Mazda REPU pickup from Hot Wheels Speed Graphics. Custom 2001 Acura Integra GSR from Speed Blur. 2019 Ford Ranger Raptor from the Hot Wheels Speed Graphics. Alpine A110 Cup from Hot Wheels Race Day. Manga Tuner from Tuned. 2018 Honda Civic Type R from the Honda series. Custom Cadillac Fleetwood from Rod Squad. Porsche 918 Spyder from the Porsche series. 1949 Volkswagen Beetle pickup from Rod Squad. 1969 Chevelle from Tuned. Mod Rod from Hot Wheels Dream Garage. Time a Taxi from Hot Wheels Metro. Fished and Chipped from the Hot Wheels Art Cars series. Quick Bite also from Hot Wheels Art Cars. Circle Tracker from Hot Wheels Race Day. I Believe from Street Beast. Cloak and Dragger from X Racers. La Fasta from Hot Wheels Art Cars. Geoterra from Baja Blazers. Aeropod from X Racers. El Viento from Xpera Motors. Baja Truck from the Speed Blur series. Runway Rescue from Hot Wheels Metro. Forward Force from Track Stars. And finally, Isle Driver from Hot Wheels Ride-Ons. If you are enjoying our weekly episodes of Hot Wheels News, make sure you let me know by hitting that thumbs up button. The 2019 Hot Wheels Super Treasure Hunt set went on sale for Hot Wheels Redline Club members. They made 1,300 of these boxes at a price of $199.99. Were you one of the lucky ones to pick up one of these sets? If not, you could probably still pick one up on eBay, although expect to pay quite a bit more. And this week's Hot Wheels deal of the week is the Hot Wheels Premium Car Culture Golf Set. This is one of my favorite premium sets. Let's take a look at each of the cars that are included. We've got the 1960s Fiat 500D Modificado, the 1969 Ford Mustang Boss 302, the Nissan Laurel 2000 SGX, the Volkswagen Golf MK7, and of course my personal favorite, the McLaren F1 GTR. In my opinion, this will be a very collectible set in the future, so it's definitely worth picking up right now. If you want to pick up this set, check out the second link in the description box below. We've got a bunch more upcoming Hot Wheels, let's check them out. The 1992 Ford Mustang from the Hot Wheels Art Cars series, the Alpine A110 Cup from Hot Wheels Race Day, 1970 Dodge Power Wagon from Hot Wheels Hot Trucks, Big Air Bel Air from Rod Squad, a custom Mini Cooper. Here are a few other pictures of it as well. A new color of the Acura Integra GSR. An upcoming casting is the Chevrolet Impala SS. I hope this one comes in black, but you can see it here in an unpainted finish. And a newly retooled casting of the 1980s Pontiac Firebird. For some upcoming Hot Wheels ID cars, we've got a tuned out version of the Volkswagen Beetle in Golf livery, and we've got the Hot Wheels ID TV series Batmobile, which will be found in some mainline cases. As I reported before, Hot Wheels and Tanner Fox were in collaboration making a set. The Fox Run Track Pack is now available at certain Walmart stores in the United States. It includes 2 cars, including of course the Guaczilla as well as Driftstar. Let me know if you have seen this track pack in your local Walmart yet. And that's gonna wrap up this week's edition of Hot Wheels News. If you haven't already, hit that thumbs up button and I will catch you guys on the next one. Bye bye.